Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a curious cat named Charlie. Charlie was known for his mischievous nature and his knack for getting into hilarious situations. He loved exploring every nook and cranny, always on the lookout for new adventures. One sunny afternoon, Charlie spotted a shiny red balloon tied to a lamppost. Intrigued, he couldn't resist the temptation to investigate. With a mischievous glint in his eyes, Charlie jumped up and tried to catch the balloon with his paws, but the balloon was just out of reach. Determined to catch the floating object, Charlie came up with a plan. He found an old laundry basket nearby and thought, "If I can jump into the basket, maybe I can reach the balloon." With excitement bubbling inside him, Charlie leaped high into the air, aiming to land gracefully in the basket. But alas, things didn't go as planned. Instead of gracefully landing in the basket, Charlie tumbled headfirst and found himself stuck with his legs poking out. The sight was so comical that the townsfolk passing by burst into laughter. Charlie, undeterred by the laughter, wagged his tail and thought, "Well, this is quite a predicament, but maybe I can still get that balloon." With his determination unwavering, he wiggled and wriggled until he managed to free himself from the basket, albeit a little disheveled. Undeterred by his previous mishap, Charlie set his sights on the balloon once again. He devised a new plan. This time, he enlisted the help of his best friend, a mischievous squirrel named Sammy. Together, Charlie and Sammy hatched a plan to capture the elusive balloon. Sammy climbed up the lamppost and carefully untied the balloon, while Charlie waited eagerly below. But just as Sammy let go, a gust of wind blew the balloon in a different direction, soaring high into the sky. Charlie looked up with wide eyes and exclaimed, "Oh no, the balloon is flying away." But instead of feeling defeated, Charlie started to giggle uncontrollably. His laughter was so infectious that everyone around him couldn't help but join in. And so, Charlie and the townsfolk found themselves laughing together, forgetting all about the balloon. They realized that sometimes, the joy is in the journey and the unexpected moments that make life delightful. From that day forward, Charlie became the town's beloved source of laughter and happiness. He continued to embark on silly adventures, bringing smiles to the faces of children and adults alike. Charlie taught everyone that life is full of unexpected twists and turns. But if we can find humor in the mishaps, we'll always find a reason to laugh. And so, with his curiosity and laughter, Charlie brightened the town, reminding everyone that even in the silliest of moments, there is always room for joy. The end.